Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use Google Authenticator app for Instagram on an Android device. Okay, first thing first, you need to install Google Authenticator app on the Play Store. Okay, after that, open your Instagram application. And then here you can select a profile icon at the bottom. After that, click the three line. And then you can select settings option. Okay, so in this page, select please the first option. And then you can click on password and security option. After that, choose two-factor authentication. So here you can select your account. Then here will be there some security method and just first one. Okay, after that, click next. Okay, so you can copy key here and click next and then open Google Authenticator application and then click plus icon, enter a setup key and then enter your account name. Then you can put the key before here. So tap on add option. Okay, then you can directly put the code to your Instagram account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use Google Authenticator app for Instagram on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.